So we're just walking around looking for a place that you can put a blanket as the international student wants to kind of lay in the grass and vegetate and relax after her finals examens at the university. At times I also do that, just come out here and vegetate, not really go hiking. It's nice to come out here and relax. Of course, I like it when there's hardly anybody out here during the week, in normal weekdays. There are those birds again. They're out here. We went the other way, but I like to go explore different trails. So out here, it's important to be careful with rattlesnakes. And I didn't bring my stick today, my walking stick. So I better get back into the main trail, because crossing through the grass out here, you don't know where you're gonna step. And that's not one thing you want to do out here, is to get bitten by a rattlesnake. I don't know where they went. This is something that happens once in a while. We were not going to go hiking today, so that was the plan. So I didn't bring my walking stick. I only brought one bottle of water, and I didn't bring any snacks. So I'm prepared out here. I have my backpack, but I didn't bring any food out here, so the plan was not to go hiking. It was just gonna be a sightseeing trip. Some years back, this whole mountain caught on fire out here, and most of the pine trees are gone. Well, I'm gonna have to go back, get back toward the cars, and wait for them there. I know Randy wanted to get to the bridge, so maybe what they did is they must have gone up to the top and walked over to the bridge.